So it don't matter what car you have. It's pretty basic. You can clearly tell by looking at your fuses which fuse is bad. Okay. Any car. Okay. And as you notice that this one's a 20. Compare that to that 20. Okay. You notice that it's more yellowish type. Okay. And you see the connection inside is broke. That's a bad fuse. Okay, so just replace this fuse with the same type of fuse, and you're good to go. Pretty basic. So check your fuses. You know, if something's wrong, check the fuses, because a lot of times it, might be something as simple as a fuse. You know what I mean? Right there. Thanks for watching, everybody.